Yeah.
All right, so here's the deal. When you feel that your business is underwater, you get some great friends and you head out and you sit in a natural pool in Fiji. So by the way, if you're an agency owner or a freelancer and you just want to hang out with some extremely brilliant people, maybe at exotic locations and do some epic stuff, I would strongly encourage you to pay attention in the next couple of minutes. Gentlemen, would you like to encourage people? I mean, you're here.
Yes.
Everyone else should be here. You want any encouraging words on why they should stick around for a couple of moments?
You know what? My ads are finally floating.
Yes.
Oh, sir, you jumped out of a plane this week.
Yes.
Any comments on that?
Exactly. You come to events like this, you learn how to make sure your ads don't crash and burn, and you make sure your ads don't sink.
And how you don't die when you're skydiving?
Exactly, that too.
Or swimming with sharks. You'll
Right.
see all that footage coming up soon. And hey,
Yes.
we even have Canadians here too. So
Hey.
international relations going on here.
It's here too.
Works here too.
It's here too.
See you shortly.